Hello, hello.
Hello, ma'am. You're audible.
Okay, okay.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, yes, you are audible. Okay.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, yes, you are audible.
Okay.
Give me a second. Okay. So, good morning. Okay, so we let start the session. Okay, Sharvika.
Okay.
Hmm. So, what about your article?
Ma'am, I'm writing it, ma'am.
Uh,
Like I've started it.
you started?
Yeah, I've started like around 2 weeks back when you told only.
Yes. Now, can you please show me?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm sharing the screen, ma'am.
Yes, your screen is visible.
This much I've written, ma'am.
You share this PDF on the WhatsApp?
Ma'am, I had shared it long back. I'll share it to you once again.
Okay, share me.
Okay.
Hmm.
Ma'am, I've shared it.
Okay. Wait.
I just started it, ma'am.
Role of artificial intelligence in cancer informatics.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is your abstract? You write down only two paragraphs.
Yes, ma'am.
You write down only one page.
Yes, ma'am.
Only.
Actually,
Actually,
I'm like after this subsequent assignments were given, ma'am. That was told. And after that, the other data whichever was asked, I kept doing that. This was on halt only.
Okay. Hmm.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, Sarvika.
Good morning.
Sarvika, your paper is okay,
Okay.
but you have to increase the content.
Yes, ma'am. That I'll do.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll do.
Now show me your results.
Yes, ma'am.
Ankita,
Yes, ma'am.
what about your article?
Yes, ma'am. I am just reading
Hmm?
2 to 3 articles,
Hmm?
but I am confusing, ma'am.
Why?
Ma'am, I am just starting from introduction part, na?
Yes. First you have to write down the abstract.
मैम मैम मुझे पूछना था कि सारा कंटेंट जो है
Hmm?
ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है, मतलब
हाँ.
तो उस पे स्टार्टिंग मतलब इंट्रोडक्शन जैसे दिया है, अब खुद से अपने से मैं लिख सकते हैं ना?
हाँ. चलो
यस
अभी
मैम.
डिस्कस करेंगे एब्स्ट्रैक्ट के बारे में.
ओके मैम.
ठीक है, क्योंकि
Ma'am, I'm done.
Hmm?
No, ma'am. Nothing.
Okay. Now, and Ankita, what about your work?
मैम आई एम सेंडिंग यू
You send me.
लास्ट टाइम, but don't know how to compile in first page, ma'am.
Okay.
And I was saying last lecture
Hmm.
that only about lower than one value added.
Hmm. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, first, Sarvika, you share your screen and show me your result.
Okay. Ma'am, these were the results, ma'am.
Yes, but
You had told me the amino acid sequence and you told me to find all the three. So I've done it.
Where is your B cells, T cells, epitopes? This is your
Ma'am,
B cells epitopes. This is your what? What is this?
B cells only, ma'am. Like MHC class 2.
This is MSc class 2 epitopes, MSc class 1 epitopes.
Class 1, I guess.
I'm
Like you
so
had,
confused.
I think MSc class 1, ma'am.
Write down. Mention it top. This is the MSc
Okay,
class 1 epitopes.
okay, ma'am.
And where is the MSc class 2 epitopes?
Ma'am, actually, I think we had compiled both MHC class 1 and class 2, and then we had filtered it. Like it should be lesser than 1 and all that. And then after filtering, these were the amino acid sequences.
But we required separately MSc class 1, MSc class 2 epitopes.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Because we construct the vaccine.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So now, first, देखो, you prepare a 3 file.
Okay.
First file is for the MSc class 1 epitopes. Second file for MSc class 2 epitopes. And third file is for MSc class 3 epitopes. Sorry, B cells epitopes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so now compile in 3 Excel sheets.
Okay,
MSc
ma'am.
class 1, 2 or B cells. Okay. Now Ankita, you show me your results. Show me your results from starting to end.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my laptop is on starting.
कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, मुझे व्हाट्सएप पे
Fine.
शेयर कर दो
Okay, ma'am.
सारे रिजल्ट्स.
Ma'am, can I show you from back camera?
हाँ, इट्स ओके.
Okay.
शो मी अंकिता. Mm.
The network is very slow. That's why I can't join through the laptop.
Okay, no issue. Now show me. Sharvika,
Yes, ma'am.
what are you doing?
Yes, ma'am. You were saying something.
You are?
You told something, ma'am.
Yes. I told you. I am asking ki what are you doing?
Oh, I'm seeing that MHC class 1, class 2.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
uh, this was the first page where all the contents I have mentioned
All the content from.
about HPV virus, NCBI sequence.
Mm.
And this was the second page where these are all the readings about MHC class 1.
But where is the first line?
I think I have not copy paste.
And your method is not okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next slide is also same issue. Fourth slide, again these are the B cells epitopes. But
Yes, ma'am.
where is the actual results? And in last step, what is this? The wave sequence length
Uh,
92 predicted
and
DS1.
antibody last is B cell epitopes, ma'am.
But in your seed, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slides is 5 seeds is present. What is
Yes,
the 5
ma'am.
seeds?
Antibody interaction.
No. No, this is not okay. Nidhi,
Yes, ma'am.
now first you have to retrieve the protein sequence. Show me, open your protein sequence in Google.
Yes, ma'am.
And where is the result of structure analysis of your proteins? Sharvika,
I have that.
show me. And Ankita,
Yes, ma'am.
show me the structure analysis of your protein.
2 minutes, ma'am. I'll share this.
शायद अंकिता जो स्ट्रक्चर एनालिसिस की थी प्रोटीन की फिजिप्रोट पर हम देखा था एंटीजेनिसिटी देखी थी एलर्जेनिसिटी देखी थी टॉक्सिसिटी
बट
देखी थी
मैम उसमें से स्ट्रक्चर जो है वो कॉपी पेस्ट नहीं हो रहा था.
कौन सा स्ट्रक्चर कॉपी पेस्ट नहीं हो रहा था
लास्ट जो ये थे एंटी बी सेल एपिटोप्स का भी और एनसीपीआई का भी.
ऐसे नहीं होता है पहले तो तुम एक काम करो दोनों लोग फिजियोकेमिकल तुम लोगों ने अभी तक चीज़ें समझ में आई हैं तुम लोगों को, पर तुम लोग सही से कंपाइल नहीं कर पा रहे हो,
Yes, ma'am.
दिक्कत ये है। शारिका,
Yes,
पहले
ma'am.
मुझे ये बताओ, दोनों लोग सेम काम करो। पहले ये बताओ, तुम लोग की प्रोटीन का सीक्वेंसेस तुम लोगों ने रिट्रीव किया है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
एक वर्ड बनाओ फाइल। देखो, शारिका स्क्रीन शेयर करो। शारिका और अंकिता, तुम चीज़ों को भी समझो, क्योंकि तुम बहुत
Yes, ma'am.
कंफ्यूज हो कि किस तरीके से
Yes,
क्या करना
ma'am.
है। ठीक है, शारिका
Yes, ma'am.
स्क्रीन शेयर करो।
Yes, ma'am.
सबसे पहले प्रोटीन ओपन।
Mama, can I show it, ma'am?
यस प्लीज।
Mama, this one was the
ओके, दिस इज
previous.
ओके।
And this one was the tertiary structure, ma'am, the TR Rosetta results.
ओके, शो मी योर कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल इज वेरी हाई। ओके, ओके, सेकेंडरी स्ट्रक्चर।
Ma'am, I'll show, ma'am, 1 second.
You perform this task simultaneously, or you already perform these tasks?
It was already done, ma'am. The thing is, I've saved it, ma'am, actually.
Okay,
Like the structural analysis and all.
show me. Nidhi, sorry, Ankita.
Yes, ma'am.
Your task is complete.
Ma'am, I am sending you in WhatsApp.
Okay. But not received. Sharvika. Sharvika.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 2 minutes, ma'am.
अंकिता रिजल्ट कहाँ सेंड किया है?
Ma'am, I resend it.
Okay.
Ma'am,
And
this was the
yes.
protein sequence, FASTA sequence.
Okay.
Protein FASTA sequence
Okay.
of unverified
Okay.
papillomavirus.
Now now where is the result of physiochemical analysis of this protein, structural analysis of this protein?
Yes, ma'am.
Show me. Not share, only show me.
Ma'am, it's done. I'll show it to you, ma'am.
Yes,
Secondary
show me.
structure. This is the Chawai Fastman result.
Sharvika, now you do one thing.
Okay.
Now open your words. Open a word file. I will tell you. Nidhi, अंकिता,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
अब तुम मेरी
Yes,
बात को
ma'am.
समझो, ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
अंकिता,
Yes,
Sharvika,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
cross this. Now write down write down a heading.
Okay.
Vaccine structure, vaccine construction, or your target virus is
Hematoglutamine.
हाँ right. In influenza virus ना
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ देखो vaccine construction against the influenza against the hemoglobin protein in construction. against influenza virus. No. Only one light. In influenza virus.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now select this. Now minimum center में करो.
Center.
साइज फॉर्मेट चेंज करो. टाइम्स एंड रोमन करो. हाँ. साइज इंक्रीज करो. 12 करो. 14 करो. 14. अंडरलाइन करो एंड बोल्ड करो. ठीक है. ये आपको वैक्सीन कंस्ट्रक्ट करनी है अगेंस्ट द हीमोग्लोबिन प्रोटीन इन इन्फ्लुएंजा वायरस. ओके.
Yes, ma'am.
This is your heading. Done. Now, first, now scroll down, enter, write down.
Yes, ma'am.
Align. First align. Inside. Choose the fourth option. Fourth option. Not this one. In alignment.
Where, ma'am?
अलाइनमेंट टैब में ना 3 ऑप्शन है ना. फोर्थ वन चूज करो. अभी जो मिडिल में किया था ना.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, this one. Okay, okay.
This one.
Ah.
सबसे पहले what you do, you have to write down the abstract. So write down the heading abstract. अब आपको abstract लिखना है. ठीक है.
Oh.
कितना वर्ड्स? लिमिट लिखो 150 to 200. और 250 कर लेना. 200 रहने दो. 250 ये तुम लोग को करना है. यू हैव टू राइट डाउन दिस. ओके. नाउ एंटर. राइट डाउन द कीवर्ड्स. Approximately 5 keywords. Only लिख दो 5 keywords. Okay. Now select abstract or keywords. Abstract or keywords को select करो. Now unbold this. Unalign this. Alignment हटाओ. Alignment का मतलब ये जो underline नीचे क्लिक करी है वो हटाओ. अंडरलाइन हटाओ.
Yes, ma'am.
साइज ठीक है 14 का. हेडिंग है इसीलिए 14 करो. और रनिंग का करना 12. हेडिंग का 14, रनिंग का 12.
Ma'am, can you touch it in English, ma'am?
No issue. Okay. For heading, font size is 14.
Yes, ma'am.
And for running it's 12.
Yes, ma'am. I've done it.
But now it is 12.
Yes, ma'am. Running is 12.
But this is not a running. This is heading.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Because you have to write down the abstract and keywords.
Okay.
Okay.
Understood, ma'am.
Now next heading is your enter abstract.
Yes, ma'am.
Abstract.
Again, abstract.
No. I'm sorry. Introduction.
Yes, ma'am.
In introduction, enter. Now create a subheading. In subheading, first you have to write down what is vaccine. Write down.
Vâng. Ini. Masuk ini. Iya. Iya. Dorian. Dorian. Ay. Ay. Jom.
कब हो गया? हुआ क्या था?
Tadi अपने आप
अपने आप रोने लगी कि क्या हुआ?
अपने आप लो
आओ
आए मम्मी
आओ गटरुआ गटरुआ ओ भैया ऐसे रोता है गटरुआ पूछो मत दीना हेलो शार्विका निधि हेलो
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sharvika, show me. Didi, you show me send me the result of Prod Param. That's the issue. That's why I'm performing this task. Identify the virus to be targeted. Selected the specific gene for virus. No, Sharvika. In methodology, you does not write down these points. You write down what is your target protein and what step you follow. Okay, now delete all these points. Now write down as we selected the influenza viruses. आपने influenza, why are you selecting this HA protein?
Ma'am, because of we analyzed the different physiochemical properties and it was a non-allergen and all that.
Okay, now write down all these points. If we select the HA protein, and we select the influenza virus. एक मिनट दो. लिखो.
Yes.
First heading is your simply write down we select the influenza virus. No, we select the HA protein in influenza virus. Now second enter. Now write down a retrieval of target protein sequences. Genome and protein sequences. Retrieval of target. Retrieval of the target. The हटाओ. Target, genome and protein sequence. Enter करो. Tell me your step-by-step process. How you retrieve the genome?
Using NCBM.
How? What is the first step?
Ma'am, first we have to choose under the subclass we should choose the nucleotide sequence and
First you simply write down. First we open the First we open the home page of NCBI by using URL. What is the URL of NCBI? Open the home page of NCBI. Write down this URL. Copy
This
this
one.
URL. Complete URL. This is not a complete URL.
That one I can't.
Select from government to. Yeah, manually write down.
This one, no, mom.
But only URL, not this complete name.
We can't copy paste it like that.
Okay, so simply write down help:/www.ncbi.nlm.nis.gov. First, we open the home page of NCBI.
Yes, mom.
By using this URL. URL लिखो.
Yes, ma'am.
URL तो डालो. URL लिखो. अब URL टाइप करो. URL लिखो. अब URL टाइप करो. URL के लिए NCBI साइट ओपन करो. गलत है. URL गलत है. इसको NCBI. बस ठीक है. डैश जो लगा है ना और हेल्प लिखा है उसके बीच में स्पेस दो. अब NCBI की साइट ओपन करो. URL ओपन करो साइट. URL आ जाएगा. लाइन ऊपर आएगा, वो लिख लेना. ये वाला URL कॉपी पेस्ट कर लो डायरेक्ट. NCBI रिमूव करो और W को स्मॉल करो. www. स्पेस दो. स्मॉल करो. www. पेस्ट कर दो. ठीक है, आ गया URL पूरा. अब ये जो URL है ना, ये वाला पुराना वाला, उसे हटाओ. हाँ, बस एंटर करो. URL के लास्ट में जाओ, एंटर करो. ठीक है. अब नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या फॉलो किया था?
Mom, we saw the 8 segments, the genome segments.
But what segment? Which next step is your? In all database, you select nucleotide now.
Yes, mom.
Write down complete methodology, each and every step. Tell me your next step.
Retrieving the nucleotide sequences.
But for nucleotide sequence, in all database, you select genome now.
Yes, mom.
So write down. We open the homepage of NCBI by using this URL and in and no right, remove this and in all database we select genome and search our target sequence.
In all databases.
We selected. And in open में opened लिखना because we already performed these tasks.
Oh, okay.
So write down all complete thesis in your past tense.
Okay, okay.
So बताओ next step क्या था? Write down the next step.
And in all the databases, we selected the nucleotide sequences.
Genome sequence select किया था शार्विका.
Yes, ma'am.
सिलेक्ट करो, हैंड टू हैंड सिलेक्ट करके ट्राई कर करो, जिससे क्रॉस चेक हो कि सॉफ्टवेयर जो स्टेप थे वो सेम राइट डाउन कर रही हो, क्योंकि नाउ वी प्रिपेयर द मेथडोलॉजी पार्ट.
Yes, ma'am.
दिस इज अ पार्ट ऑफ योर थीसिस. बिकॉज अगर पूरी वैक्सीन डिजाइनिंग कर ली तो तुम लोगों की मेथडोलॉजी थीसिस नहीं लिख पाओगे तुम लोग.
Okay, okay.
That's why I am saying, because in vaccine designing there is a number of tasks, number of steps. Okay, write down the second step.
We selected the genome sequences.
What you select? Write down. Share your screen and write down each and every task, every step which you follow. I think you select in place of nucleotide, you select genome. I think now here you search the influenza virus. Alpha influenza virus. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So correct your methodology first.
We then chose the first one under this.
Okay. So in on methodology, write down the step.
Yes, ma'am. We selected the genome sequence.
In all database, we select genome. Then in search bar, we search our target sequence, target virus. Genome में G small करो. End में A small करो.
We selected the target gene, no, ma'am.
टारगेट जीन सेलेक्ट नहीं किया हमने, एक
Virus.
टारगेट अपना वायरस सर्च किया.
Yes, ma'am.
Then we search the virus and select our target virus, and we selected. हाँ सर्च कुछ भी लिख लो, सर्च लिखो, सिलेक्ट सर्च करो, select that virus.
And selected the target. Yes, ma'am.
Next step.
Then we got the 8 genome segments.
But this
And-
is a part of result now.
Yeah, ma'am.
This is a part of result now. You find out, you retrieve the
Yes, ma'am.
Then we retrieve the 8 segment in 8 segment. No, this is a part of result.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Then next step is here you simply write down कि we select the then we एक मिनट रुको. First you have to select the genome sequence by using URL, the genome sequence. Then select your target viruses and select the, then we search the viruses and selected our target virus.
That is written, ma'am, already.
You write down we search the virus and select the target.
Ma'am, that is written. In the search bar, we searched the virus and selected the target.
And target and open that and select the target. Then 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 we find the 8 segment. In 8 segment we select the fourth one. Then we retrieve the protein sequence.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Like this, no, ma'am?
Wait. And we retrieve the 8 segments. We retrieve the 8 segment and choose, and the fourth segment was chosen. Then open the GenPack format, and in feature we select the protein, HA protein. फोर्थ सेगमेंट सेलेक्ट करने के बाद नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या किया था?
Ma'am, the protein sequence was taken in FASTA format.
How?
Ma'am, in NCBI only it's available, ma'am.
But its NCBI is available, but you copy this, you select the fourth segment, and this you open the fourth segment, and the fourth segment is open in GenBank format. In GenBank format, you select you directly search this protein sequence.
Ma'am, actually for the previous structure analysis, I used this, so it is open.
Okay, but how you select this? First, you select the genome sequence. In genome sequence, this protein is present in fourth segment. Then you open that particular fourth segment. Then in fourth segment, feature option is available. In features, you select the HA protein. This is the step now.
Ma'am, but the FASTA sequence was just available just like that. Like if I click on this, it was available.
FASTA sequence is available, but for opening this protein, you follow some set of steps now.
Yes, ma'am. I'll show it to you.
Show me. After segment.
Okay, yeah, ma'am. I'll do it from the beginning.
and select the fourth segment. And selected fourth segment. Selected fourth segment. And
Yes.
then retrieve the protein sequence in FASTA format. ओके, इन सब सारे स्टेप्स को जो आपने वी ओपन द होम पेज से लेके लास्ट स्टेप को हेड उसमें कर दो, उसमें हेडिंग वाइज हेडिंग बोल रही हूँ, जो नहीं लगाते कॉम आगे वो क्या बोलते हैं, बुलेट.
Okay.
बुलेट ब्लैक. We select the influenza viruses. Chavika, we select the HA-approved influenza viruses, target selection and retrieval. ये retrieval of target genome and protein sequences वाली लाइन को यहाँ से कट करो. टारगेट सिलेक्शन के आगे पेस्ट कर दो.
Here, ma'am.
अब इसे जो बुलेट लगाया वो हटाओ. सिलेक्शन और उसके बीच का गैप कम करो, कॉलम के बीच का. मतलब टारगेट सिलेक्शन आपने किया, टारगेट सिलेक्शन में आपने रिट्रीव किया जीनोम और प्रोटीन सीक्वेंसेस को, और जीनोम और प्रोटीन सीक्वेंसेस को फॉलो करने के लिए आपने टारगेट सिलेक्ट किया था. यू सेलेक्ट द इन्फ्लुएंजा वायरस, देन यू ओपन द होम पेज ऑफ NCBI बाय यूजिंग दिस URL. देन इन ऑल डेटाबेस के बीच में और एंड को स्मॉल करो, ऑल और डेटा के बीच की जो स्पेस है उसको रिमूव करो.
1 second, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. What should I do, ma'am?
स्पेस कम करो, स्पेस हटाओ दोनों के बीच का.
Between all and databases.
ऑल और डेटाबेस, यस. एंड रिमूव एंड का जो ए है, एंड का ए इसको कैपिटल से स्मॉल करो और उसको ओके चलो रहने दो. नो एंड हटाई दो. कंप्लीट एंड को रिमूव करो, आई इनका आई कैपिटल कर दो. इन ऑल डेटाबेस ऑल का ऑल इन डेटाबेस
1 second, ma'am.
मिनिमाइज अलाइन बाद में कर लेना. बुलेट वगैरह वो सारी चीज़ें बाद में सेट कर लेना. स्पेसिंग यूज कर लो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. वी रिट्रीव द 8 segment and we selected the 4th segment and then we retrieve the protein sequences in FASTA format. 4th segment, क्योंकि 4th segment in genome में हम लिखेंगे कि this is the part of 4th segment is a gene and retrieve the protein sequences. No. We retrieve the protein sequences, 4th segment, and we click the feature, and in feature part protein ID is available, so we select this protein ID and we find the GenBank, then we retrieve the चार्विका, ये लास्ट वाली लाइन को उसको थोड़ा सा चेंज करना है, क्योंकि रिमूव नहीं करना, कंप्लीटली डिलीट नहीं करनी थी, सिंपली चेंज करना है. चेंज किस तरीके से करना है कि फर्स्ट यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट द 4th segment. In 4th segment you open this 4th segment and click on feature. In features protein ID is available, then in protein I click on protein ID, Then we find the protein sequences
Okay.
and download this protein sequences in FASTA format. This is the complete step.
Okay.
Then I've selected the 4 segment and open the
open-
feature of this gene. Open the gene. Opened. Delete मत किया करो, कर्सर को ऊपर नीचे कर लिया करो. Open the feature of this gene. In feature and protein ID is available, protein ID is available. Protein ID was available. तो फास्ट में लिखा है ना, इसको अपने अकॉर्डिंग कंपाइल कर लेना जिस तरीके से तुमको समझ में आए, अपनी लैंग्वेज में लिख लेना.
Okay.
ठीक है. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या था? टेल मी योर नेक्स्ट स्टेप.
We run the blast and all. Actually, how?
ब्लास्ट हमने क्यों किया था?
To identify the pairing of the sequences, similarity of the sequences.
Why? Then next step is the structure analysis of your protein.
Yes, ma'am.
You understood now how to compile this?
Yes, ma'am.
So end this now. Right, enter and write down the structure analysis of protein. Write down the heading of structure analysis of protein. Heading.
Heading, ma'am.
Structure analysis में आपने which steps if you follow?
Ma'am, we retrieve the protein. Once we retrieve the protein sequences.
Write down every protein sequences पहले retrieve कर लिए हैं हमने, वो हम already लिख चुके हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
So first we check the physiochemical property. So इसको bold करो, align करो. Compilation editing बाद में करेंगे, पर थोड़ा सा समझो अभी. Bold करो.
Bold
करो, underline करो. एंड इसको टारगेट से अलाइन भी करो, क्योंकि अभी ये हेडिंग बुलेट के पास है. बुलेट में नहीं चाहिए हमें, इसे चाहिए हेडिंग में.
Ma'am, I'll edit.
बाद में कर लेना, बाद में एडिटिंग कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. इस प्रोटीन स्ट्रक्चर एनालिसिस ऑफ प्रोटीन. इन स्ट्रक्चर एनालिसिस प्रोटीन में फर्स्ट वी चेक द फिजियोकेमिकल प्रॉपर्टी. राइट डाउन द सब हेडिंग्स.
Yes, ma'am.
Write down the subheadings.
Physicochemical properties.
On physicochemical study, प्रोटीन के सारे स्टेप्स लिखना. राइट डाउन द एवरी स्टेप ऑफ फिजियोकेमिकल प्रॉपर्टी इन बुलेट. First you open the expressive protoparam.
Yes, ma'am.
Then paste the protein sequence in FASTA in plain format. Then we retrieve our result. Then,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Then next step, next physiochemical analysis, we check the antigenicity.
Yes, ma'am.
Write down. सारे सॉफ्टवेयर्स का URL भी लिखना है. बुलेट में नहीं लिखना है, सब हेडिंग है. एडिटिंग बाद में करना है. लिखो. Next, antigenicity.
Yes, ma'am.
Then allergenicity, toxic and disulfide bond.
Yes, ma'am.
Then secondary structure of protein. Tertiary structure of protein.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the next step is we remove. Next step हमने यूज किया था ट्रांस मेम्ब्रेन रीजन को रिमूव किया था ना हमने.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, hydrophobic reasons.
हाँ. So now write down removal of hydrophobic reason.
Removal of hydrophobic.
Reason.
Yes, ma'am.
For removing the hydrophobic reason, REZZGION. GION. फिर कौन सा सॉफ्टवेयर यूज किया था?
Ma'am, TMHMM 2.0.
Yes. So write down that name of the whole software, web tool, and write down the step. Okay.
2.0.
Whatever it is. Now
DPU health.
next step is the epitopes prediction.
Yes, ma'am.
Epitopes prediction के लिए
I-
MSc class 1 MSc IEDB. हाँ. IEDB, MSc class 1, MSc class 2 और B cells epitopes. So तीनों का separate. You have to write down the methodology of both the epitopes in separately. All the epitopes in separately. MSc class 1, MSc class 2, then B cells epitopes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ.
Ma'am, we have also described about MHC class 1. What is MHC class 1 molecules and
In
what is...
introduction part.
Yes, ma'am.
In introduction part.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then next step, you filter out these epitopes now.
Yes, ma'am.
So what now? Write down the heading. Refine the epitopes. Refine. REFINE. FINE. Refine the epitopes. तो रिफाइनिंग द एपिटोप्स के लिए कौन कौन से हमने क्या क्या यूज किया था? वी रिफाइन दिस एपिटोप्स ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ IC50 वैल्यू. जो भी हमने
IC
क्राइटेरिया लिखा था वो आपको राइट डाउन करना है. हम इतना पॉइंट कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं अपने वैक्सीन का.
Oh, okay.
सो सारा मेथडोलॉजी राइट डाउन कर. आपको यहाँ तक अपनी थीसिस कंप्लीट करनी है दोनों को.
Ma'am, how to refine the epitopes?
We refining the epitopes. Sarvika, how we refine the epitopes?
Ma'am, using the ABC PRED.
ABC PRED is a software that are used to predict the B cells epitopes.
Ma'am, we filter it using MS Excel now, ma'am. Like it should be rank level should be lesser than 1 nano.
हाँ, length label, IC50 value, and antigenicity, allergenicity, and toxicity.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so write down
Yes.
IC50 value, rank, only write down the criteria.
Okay.
Allergenicity, antigenicity, toxicity, population coverage, toxicity, population coverage, population conservancy, these are the criteria to refine your epitopes or to filter out the epitopes. Maybe refine, maybe filter out the epitopes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
I think from toxicity, population coverage and conservancy is remaining now.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, first task is I will take your class tomorrow as well. Okay, so now compile these, write down all these methodology till toxicity.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am,
Yes,
only
ma'am.
methodology part.
only methodology part,
Yes, ma'am.
because it will take time. Methodology, and in next session, I will tell you the remaining part. But first, you have to complete the methodology.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am, I am confusing about refine the epitopes.
Refining epitopes we will discuss. First, you have to
Okay.
complete the methodology.
Okay, ma'am.
रिफाइनिंग पहले आप एपिटोप्स को प्रोड्यूस करना, तब मैं रिफाइनिंग खुद से सिखाऊंगी तुम लोग को, ऐसे तुम लोग कंफ्यूज
Okay,
करते हो,
ma'am.
सब कुछ गलत करते हो. पहले आप
Okay.
मुझे बताओ फिजिकोकेमिकल एनालिसिस के रिजल्ट्स कहाँ हैं सारे. एक एक्सेल शीट बनाओ, एक पावर पॉइंट ओपन करो.
Ma'am, these were the chemical properties.
वेयर इज द फिजिकोकेमिकल प्रॉपर्टी?
Ma'am, here, ma'am, the values are there. The gravy value, antigenicity, allergenicity.
But this is not. This is. You also mentioned this table in your result part. But where is the actual result of physicochemical analysis from Protparam?
Ma'am, all of this were from Protparam itself. The value, the gravy value.
Okay, you select the gravy value.
Yes, ma'am. Like it was told to do so.
But okay, but Sharvika, we also required a complete report.
Okay.
So open that one, and now open the Protparam. Now base the sequence protein sequences here in convert into the FASTA format. This is a gene, this is not a protein sequence.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Back, move to the feature. Sharvika,
Ma'am, 1 second, ma'am. 1 second, I'll do it.
move to the feature, then protein ID. Protein ID, yes, this one.
Yes, ma'am.
Now copy the protein sequences only. Now paste here. Now this is a complete report now. So download this report. Click on control.
Yes, ma'am. How to download it?
Scroll down. scroll up धीरे धीरे slowly. Here the option is as references, and click on this CSV format. No, back. Click on this documents or references. No, back. Click on documents. Back. Scroll down. Now take a screenshot only. First,
Of
you
the
have to take a
entire thing,
screenshot of entire page.
Ma'am, is it of the entire thing?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Now take a screenshot.
Of the entire document, ma'am.
Yes. From first scroll up. Scroll up. Now take a screenshot.
Ma'am, in the phone I'll take.
In phone. Okay. Then open. Let's suppose you take a screenshot here. The option is also available. Click on window and print screen. No. In keyboard. In keyboard. In your keyboard.
Yes, ma'am. What should I click on?
Window.
Yes, ma'am.
In your keyboard, window option is present now.
Ma'am, I clicked on that.
Then print screen. Option होगा PRTSCR. No. राइट डाउन यहाँ पे नहीं करना है, कीबोर्ड में सर्च करना है. कीबोर्ड में सार्विका कीबोर्ड में.
शार्विका F12 के साइड पे PRTSCR कीबोर्ड पे ऑप्शन है. डिलीट इंसर्ट डिलीट के पास.
Oh, understood, ma'am. Okay.
अच्छा, आप ऐसे स्क्रीनशॉट लेना चाह रहे हो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
Okay.
पर कीबोर्ड में डायरेक्ट ऑप्शन होता है.
I found it, but if I click on that, this is coming.
But
Snipping area, this one.
flipping area, you click on this one. Then now select the full screen. Now open this one. But now it is not okay because scroll up, open this one. So now you understood now how to take a screenshot. Now control C.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
open a Word PowerPoint. PowerPoint.
PowerPoint. ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Take a blank sheet. Blank. Click on new slide. न्यू स्लाइड. होम पे ऑप्शन है ना, बैक जाओ. यहाँ पे ऑप्शन है ना न्यू स्लाइड्स पे, जैसे न्यू स्लाइड्स को ऐड करते हैं.
No, ma'am, I can't see.
This one. Click on this one. अभी जो न्यू स्लाइड्स का ऑप्शन था ना, लेआउट पे क्लिक करो. होम पे जाओ, लेआउट पे
I
क्लिक
have to
करो.
just paste it here, ma'am.
Yes. But you change this layout. It is more beneficial for you. A blank PowerPoint.
Hello.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
Paste here. Yes, you are audible. Click on layout. Blow to the design and transitions. Blow नीचे था इसके ऑप्शन. होम पेज पे जाओ. अब देखो डिजाइन के नीचे आ रहा है ना, न्यू स्लाइड, लेआउट, रीसेट, सिलेक्शन.
Nice.
हाँ, सिलेक्ट करो. इससे ब्लैंक शीट को सिलेक्ट करो. आप पेस्ट करो. आप ऐसे ही न्यू स्लाइड्स फिर से ऐड करो. न्यू स्लाइड ऐड करने के लिए क्लिक ऑन कर दो न्यू स्लाइड पे. ठीक
Yes.
है, आप पहले पे जाके फर्स्ट रिजल्ट पेस्ट करो, प्रोट परम वाला.
Control V, no, ma'am.
इसको छोटा करो, और छोटा करो, और छोटा करो, और छोटा करो, साइज और डिक्रीज करो साइज.
Sit down, ma'am.
क्या हुआ?
कुछ नहीं हुआ, बस बैठी है मिर्ची खा.
It's fine, ma'am. Hello.
Yes. Now take a screenshot of remaining part. ऊपर देख, ऊपर देख, ऊपर देख, ऊपर देख. कंट्रोल बी करो, फिर से क्रॉप, इसको छोटा करो, इसके नीचे लगा दो. हाँ, नीचे कहीं या साइड में कहीं भी कर दो, फिर इसको ग्रुप कर देना. ठीक है,
Okay.
तो एक पूरा स्क्रीनशॉट बन जाएगा तुम्हारा. अब ऐसे ही सारे रिजल्ट को पावर पॉइंट पे लगाते जाओ, जैसे जैसे रिजल्ट बनाते जा रहे हो ना,
Yes, ma'am.
वैसे वैसे इसमें पावर पॉइंट में स्टोर करते जाओ, जिससे बाद में दिक्कत नहीं होगी. ओके,
Okay.
so save your result in PowerPoint. Okay, now in next session I will take your class same time 7 to 8. Okay, but
Okay.
7 to 8. Okay,
Okay.
so show me your complete methodology as
Yes,
well
ma'am.
as your results in PowerPoint. Okay, Sharvika and Nidhi.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, show me this task in next session.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, then show me your results in next session. I will take your session tomorrow by 7 to 8 morning. Okay, na
Okay.
Sharvika?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.